How to keep projects private in Asana. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of our screen and then go here on the projects option. Under that, it will show us all the projects that we have on our account. So to keep a project private, all we need to do is to open the project first. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this one. And then once the project is open, we'll have to go here on the share option. And then in here, we'll have to go here on this access settings. Under that, tap on this one. So to keep a project option, all we need to do is to change the settings here from my workspace to private to members. By doing that, our project will be private and then only the members and the owner will be able to access the project. So that's how easy you can keep projects private in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!